just want to thank all the artists, all those who supported us, those who recorded with us, all those stakeholders, those who helped us to be where we are today. We are growing and we'll keep on growing. So this is our studio, guys, Makumbe production. This is our interface we use for recording. This is Presonus 16 channel. So this is an effective device which do high quality recording. So this interface enables us to do live recording. For those songwriter guys and those who normally use live bands, we can capture everything: guitars, keyboards, drums at the same time. And this is the drum set we have, one of the best drums. We also have this electric drum. To those who want to use the electric drum for their drum programmings, we have got it. And this is a GT100. This is a guitar effect processor. So this gadget contains 100 bangs. Each and every bang has got 4 tones to make them 400. So you can select up to 400 tones. And this one is a Zoom guitar gadget again. It has got 100 tones. So these are the machines we use to process our guitar sounds. This is an old model but super high quality Ibanez bass guitar. So I've got it also. It gives me that bass guitar sound. This is a 24 frets high quality Ibanez lead guitar. So this is our vocal booth. We've got 5 of them. Then the sixth one is that one. Is the drum booth. Kuriwa kuti patinoita music dzemakwaya, dzechipostori, dzechichi, zvinotiitira nyore since tine mabooth akawanda. Hatizomiriri one mic kuchinjana kusvika mapera. We won't take much of your time. Unotobva pa10 saka tinorekodhawo pamusara muchibika sadza gaga 2 minutes modzokanyi pa10.
Fungua macho yako, fungua, wanakutabasamu kana kwamba wanakupenda, wanakutabasamu kana kwamba wanakupenda, lakini wanakuchukia kwa wivu na shauku, lakini wanakuchukia kwa wivu na shauku.